In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your date of birth and let your Telegram friends know whenever it's your birthday. Letting your Telegram friends know about your birthday is a great way to strengthen your connections and foster a sense of community. It shows that you value their presence in your life and allows them to celebrate with you. To do this, simply head into your Telegram. On your chat page, tap on this settings icon to head into your settings. You will then have to tap on this edit button on your upper right corner of the screen. Tap right here on date of birth. Enter in your date of birth. Just slightly down, tap on the change button which is highlighted in blue. Customize who you wish to celebrate your birthday with. If you want Telegram to let everyone know that it's your birthday, select on everyone. Telegram will send a notification to everyone on your birthday. This means that all your contacts that use Telegram, either saved or not, will receive a simple notification that it's your birthday. That's how easy it is to add your birthday on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.